guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, is going to be an updated morning routine. This is gonna be like my summer slash quarantine morning routine. This is basically what I've been doing every morning for the last several months. Today's a Saturday, but it honestly doesn't even matter what day it is. I do the same thing every day. I don't really have anywhere I have to be at a certain time since I just do all of my work from home. So I usually like to have a pretty chill morning routine. I just woke up around 8 o'clock and washed my face, got up. I'm going to make myself some hot lemon water right now and breakfast, and then I'll have coffee after that, and I'll show you guys how I kind of get myself ready for the day. I really love filming routine videos and I know you guys like watching them, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, I finished up with my breakfast and my lemon water. I try to have hot lemon water most mornings. I definitely skip it some mornings, but when I do have it, it's just a nice like detoxifying, cleansing drink. It's really helpful for digestion and it's just nice to have before coffee. So I'm gonna make coffee in a second. First, I'm gonna go into the bathroom and do my skincare. For my morning skincare, you guys have seen this routine in my skincare routine video, but I already washed my face as you guys saw, and now I'm just gonna go in with 3 more products. First, I'm gonna use the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Vitamin C Serum. Then for moisturizer, I'm gonna use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And then for SPF, also from First Aid Beauty, just using their Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen. I am almost out of this serum. I just ordered a new bottle, but I have to like scrape the bottom to get the rest out. Here is my outfit of the day. There's like a million cat toys over here. This little t-shirt is from Princess Polly. It's cute, just like ties up on the sides, and then Aritzia biker shorts. I'm gonna have coffee now. I'm in the mood for iced coffee. So I think I'm gonna have one of these. I'm gonna drink one of these La Colombe draft lattes instead of making hot coffee this morning. No, no. morning, once I'm like kind of ready and awake, I sit down here at my table and I kind of just check emails, make a to-do list for the day. Today's a Saturday, like I said, so I don't get that many work emails on the weekend, so I don't have too much to do on my computer this morning, but that's what I do every morning. I also posted a video yesterday, so I'm gonna reply to some comments. Yeah, that's about it. Just kind of getting some stuff done while I drink my coffee. Okay, I'm not really gonna wear too much makeup today. I'm just gonna use 3 products. First, using the Glossier Future Dew Serum just to make my skin nice and glowy. Then just taking this Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in the shade Perk and just putting on a little blush. Lastly, just gonna brush through my eyebrows with the Wander Beauty Brow Gel in the shade Taupe. This has been my favorite lip balm lately, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. It smells so good. And it's really nice to just like throw in your bag. I take it with me everywhere. Spritzing on some of my everyday perfume. This is the Replica Beach Walk perfume. Really nice summer scent. Every day I try to get out of my house at least once. That's kind of how I've been staying sane during quarantine, but also I just always did that because I live alone and I work from home, so it's easy to like just sit in my apartment all day. But I tend to get really antsy when I'm just here like cooped up all day, so I try to get out of my apartment and outside at least once every day. Obviously I have been doing that in like a socially distanced safe way, so I'll either go get coffee or go for a walk around my neighborhood or run any errands that I have to run. So I think today it's a really beautiful day out, so I'm gonna drive over to this little park that's like pretty close to me and it's super cute. I've never gone walking there, but it's kind of like a loop and there's a lake in the middle of it, so it's super pretty. So I think I'm gonna go over there and just go for a nice walk, listen to a podcast, and just get outside, get some fresh air. So also I'm not going to be working out in this morning routine because I've been working out later in the day, usually around 4 or 5 p.m. I feel like most people work out like first thing in the morning, but I don't know why. I just prefer working out later. Also, if I go to the gym in my building at that time, it's usually completely empty or there's like one person. It's just a win-win. So I'm not gonna be working out in this morning routine, but if you guys want an updated summer night routine, I can film that and show you guys a workout in that. Yeah, so I'm gonna head over and go for my walk, and that'll kind of conclude this morning routine. I'm just throwing my hair up and I'm gonna put a hat on to protect my face from the sun.